Okay, let's create our main table. UID, text, primary key, and let's make length 6. Drum product ID. This is not going to be unique. It would be better if we do this in integer. Product UID and product type, and this shouldn't be product UID, product drum UID. Product type, text, 50 is enough. Enter required, yes. UID, product drum UID, enter required, yes. And it's going to be auto value. Product type, product, let's just say product, enter required, yes. 100 length is good. Gross weight, kilogram. Let's make it integer. Net weight, kilogram. Let's make it integer. And gross weight, not it's going to be auto value but not incremented. Enter required, yes. Length, we can change that. Net weight, no enter required. Length is same. And length meter, integer. We actually don't need negative numbers. Do we have any positive integer? Binary, integer, small, no. Okay, anyway. So UID, product drum UID, product type, product, gross weight, net weight, length, and production, no, let's say number. And let's make this integer. Drum type, string, text is okay, entry no, and this is 8 is enough. Production number, entry no, length entry no, okay. Drum type, and let's say comment, and let's make it 200, and it requires no. Is there anything that I have forgotten? Let's look at this. I have made in Turkish also. UID, DODA ID, okay. Customer that I need, and SAP, let's move on that. So I need customer. Yes, I need customer and the changing when we will update the table. So customer, and for customer 100 is, I would say, enough. It should be yes. Date, we have no date. Let's add date. Enter required. Yes. Format is going to be like this or this. Yes, this is better. Okay. And UID, because I said UID here, it, let's say ID, and let's make this product, and let's insert a row and change UID. Change UID is, I mean, two is probably enough. Even one is probably enough, but let's say 2. So change date. This is going to be date. Enter required. No. Let's arrange the format. Okay, change date and dispatch date. Dispatch date. Date. So either main table. So I could divide dispatch date, change date from this main table. And change UID should be here. So this could be weighted table. This could be weighted table. And we could have a change table, maybe, and where we change values, where we divide any drum. If we divide any drum, we need a changing option. So should I just add it here and make a change UID, which is, I would say, logical. Yeah, let's make everything in one table. So enter required, no, enter required, no, enter required, yes. Customer, enter required, yes. Comment, enter required, no. Drum type, enter required, no. Okay. Production number, no. Integer, length, integer, enter required, no. Net weight, no. Integer. Gross weight, enter required. And integer. Product, enter required, string. Product type, enter required, string with 50 characters. Product drum ID, enter required, yes. this should be auto value. Length on 10 integer. Okay, change UID to UID 6. Okay, let's save it. What? No. Because I said ID here, it makes it. Let's add it like this. Okay. So what we need is a customer table. UID customer $100 is enough. UID how many customers? Maybe thousands of, so let's say 4. And let's make this primary key, and let's make this enter required yes, and save it. Customer table. Okay, and another table. This would be product table. So UID and product name, product type, UID, let's make the primary key, length, how many products? Again, thousands of products, but it can go to, if we add many more, it can go to 10,000, so I will say 5. Product name, enter required yes. 100 is good. Product type, enter required yes. And for product type, let's make it 50. Product table. Okay, and let's make a product type table. UID product type name. UID is primary key, and 50 is enough. Oh no. For product name, 50 is enough, and it should be enter required yes. For UID, not much. For UID, 3 is enough, I would say. Product type table, and product table, wait a minute, product type, this should be 3. Product type, this is 50, this is 3. Okay, enter required. Okay, $300, 5. So we make product UID 5, and let's make product type 3, product 5, and these are going to be incremented. These are going to be UIDs, product type, and customer also. Customer, probably I set thousands, let's say it 4, and let's check it. Yeah, it's 4. Okay. So do we need anything more? I'm sorry. Do we need anything more? We have main table, customer table. Let me look at my old design. Type, material, customer, and drum table. So UID and drum drum volume, no, not volume, dimension, drum dim. So this is going to be 8, this is going to be 3, and let's make it primary key. Enter required, yes. Drum T. Okay, so drums UID is 3, and let's go to main. Let's look at drum type, and it's going to be 3. So let's change these. This is not going to be a unique ID, this is going to be an ID. Okay. Let's build our relationship. Let's add all of them. Okay, main. Product drum ID. No, product type. Okay. So product type is here. Let's do this. Product ID is here, but this is, no, this is wrong. It should be like this. Okay, and customer ID, drum type ID. Save it. Okay, it looks good. And forms. I'm gonna use Calc for forms. So, and here it is. So let's save as desktop. Waiter GUI. Let's change this to English. Wait, stock, and sending customer type product gross kilogram net kilogram length meter drum type production no description. Okay, and customer type production number weight date from no customer type. We can delete this product gross weight kilogram net weight kilogram length meter date drum type production no description. Okay, okay. And let's change this and list. Okay, Excel let's see. And let's make this patch. Let's make this weight barcode. Okay, but I can't. Why can't I? Have I anchored it already? Okay, so to page. Why can't I change anything? Design mode, okay. So is it because it's anchored? Or have I fixed it? Yes. Okay. So let's fix this and this one. Okay. And fix it. All right. So I have a weight screen and stock sending screen. So I have other tables. I have all the relationships. So let's open up a table, let's say customer table, and let's see if we can enter these values. No. And insert record. No. Insert record. No. And data refresh tools, macros. I can make a macro to insert it. You edit. No, I need, I guess, make a macro. So edit macro. This is a different one. Let's make a new one. New. Waiter. Thank you. So let's copy from my other, and let's say sub main. No. Sub customer bulk. Customer bulk, and wait a minute, as object or doc. Okay, we need this also. Let's take this and okay. Look, oh shit. So customer T, and not this component, but this component. Can I name this as workbook ODoc sheets get by name? So ODoc workbook get by name. I could say maybe ODoc workbook. I don't think so, but sheets. Okay, let me look it up. Libre Calc workbook macros.
Şunları yıkamaya alıyorum.
Workbook get by name. Get by name. Let's ask GPT. Can I do this in BASIC? Work object. Wait, I need to. Have I add object? Yeah, I add object. Okay. Object workbook get by book get by name. So I need to say this component either way. This component. Get by name. Okay. So how can I add from Calc to basic table? Base table, not basic. Base table. Well, that didn't work. It wants me to manually copy and paste. So let's try. copy, paste. No, it's it's pasting on just one. No, this one. No, not like this also. So where is it? No. And not this. File, open. Not this one. Where is the waiter or this? Is it on desktop? Oh, okay, okay. So why can't I copy to both? Wait. So let's copy here and paste it. No, it's not working. I will learn and continue.